money that pulls beneath the surface.
For saving this boy from his murderous junkie mom, who cared more about a $40 rush than she did her own flesh and blood.
Controlling.
Much. It's cast a shadow on that kid. Try to turn some legal screw and get custody. I will finish this job. He will never call you mommy.
I felt this way before. So insecure. Crawling in my skin. These wounds, they will not heal. Fear is how I fall.
A little late for the panic button.
Comfort endlessly has pulled itself upon me, distracting, reacting. Against my will, I stand beside my own reflection.
Take care of my family, especially my conscience.
And seem to find
Baby killer and all.
the walls are closing in.
Not a sense of confidence, I'm convinced that there's just too much pressure to take.
I felt this way before. So
Bullshit excuses even getting old to me.
I didn't want to be married. No way I was ready for a kid. I got pregnant, I hated you. In his belly hanging out. That's on me, babe.
fear is how I fall.
Oh, sorry.